Hi, this is Bo from Heliotechnik Solar. Just on site here, the latest installation off-grid system. So this person building a nice little cottage, but in the middle of nowhere. Very expensive to get the grid in here. So for a few $1,000s, under 10,000, they can get this system set up. Basically, we've got about 3 kilowatts worth of panels. We've got a 4,400 watt inverter, which means AC. It can put out 4,400 watts AC at 240 volts, so it can run the 240 volt pump. And yeah, it's nice. They're right in the middle of the forest. It has a option to wire in the generator, which you probably will do. So on a day that's a little bit cloudy or rainy, like what we've got right now, you can just fire up the generator for an hour or two maybe. It's got a built-in charger. It will power all the loads like as if the batteries were full and the solar was working. Then as soon as the inverter turns off, batteries are topped up, then it switches over, and now it's running again off of the batteries and whatever solar is there. So this should help him if he's gone for a week. The batteries will be fully topped up, even if they're fully empty when he left. And next weekend or long weekend, he should have a full batteries to do whatever he wants, enjoy himself at the cabin, out in the middle of nowhere, without the annoying sound of a generator running constantly.